I didn't. It fell.
Uh-oh. It didn't hurt. I just said ow. Tricked you. Hopefully it comes up with the gaskets. We don't have to clean any gaskets. Got to take this one out. Another one somewhere. I forget where it is. Here it is. The hardest part about this is freaking programming this silly thing.
What's hard about it?
It's just time consuming. Back and forth.
What do you need for it?
Service ranger.
What's that?
That's the shift cover gasket. Get it off in one piece so we don't have to clean a lot.
So far so good, right?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What kind of truck are you working on?
Some type of a Mac. I don't know what year it is. Now this is an RTLO Gen 3 automated manual transmission.
What is that moving?
That is moving a set of gears inside. It's not really engaging yet. We have to turn the transmission, but just want to make sure nothing's hanging up. That looks good.
And those are the proper procedures to follow while changing this part?
Sure it is. Okay. The new XY shifter, the shift finger, is a lot thicker in width than the older one. It's a new updated version. So when you install it, you have to calibrate the TCM back to the default of 888, which we'll go over shortly. My lighting's terrible here today. Where is it? It's on here somewhere. Yeah, connect Service Ranger TCU software level to 888. And then we can update the current software level. So if we don't do that, what's going to happen is the shift finger will get caught up between the two shift rails, whether it's first and reverse, and second and third. I'm sorry, first and second, or third and fourth, and get stuck and try to make two shifts at once, and that we don't want. So by programming it, that I don't know the proper word. What's the proper word? Programming TCM is going to alleviate that problem. See, alleviate, big word. Hold this. Make sure you get my face so everybody knows who I am. Oh, did I bring the gasket?
Can't see your face.
Yes, I got it. What is this now? I know what it is, but I've never seen it in that type of writing. Gasket, I don't know. It doesn't really matter how you put it. It seems it has a cutout on both sides, but it does say Fuller. So I kind of like it setting part number and the name facing up. And we have a little packet here of some dielectric grease.
What's that for?
Let me just make sure it's dielectric grease. Yeah, dielectric grease, where we're going to take a little smidget on your finger and just dab it onto the connectors to prevent water and corrosion from getting in there. We almost lost our little dust and water guard. And I'm just going to go on this end here. I don't want that to fall in the transmission. Those gears will eat it up, but we don't need the extra headache. Where's the other one? The XY shifter motor connectors are color-coded blue and red, so you can't mess it up. And the rail position or position sensors are kinda in one spot, so you really can't mess it up. Now, I don't remember which way I took it off. You remember?
I think.
Crap. It went like this. I think it went like that. Now comes the hard part. Boy! Hard part is making sure the shift finger winds up in the slot of the shift rail. Nothing too complicated, just go down nice and slow. I mean, we've got a lot of space to work with. We'll try to get this connector out of the way so that's not in the way. And bazinga! Where I put the bolt? Oh crap.
Good.
Okay, I got it right here. Oh crap. There we go. Now it's in.
Do you have like a long screwdriver to go through to line the holes up?
No, I had it in, but I moved it by accident. It's been around here somewhere. It's not going in. Why didn't it go in? That was easier. Okie.
What are you doing now?
Reconnecting the connectors. Okie. Ground. Okie. Sorry, I jumped in there.
So exactly how you took it off, you're putting it back on. No shortcuts.